You can go from Tokyo Day Trip Motorcycle Touring Volume 2 Kanagawa Prefecture Hakone. I go to Hakone, Kanagawa this time. Kentucky's favorite motorcycle introduction. Harley-Davidson XL 1200 X48. A small peanut tank is characteristic. He is not suitable for a long distance, however, the light running of the sports star is fun. Enter Tomai from the Metropolitan Expressway Route 3 Shibuya. There is no traffic jam and it is fine. I will go over the Tokyo toll gate. There is no traffic jam at all and I feel unwell.
Break.
Ebina Service Area. It is the first service area on the Tomai Expressway, down line. Melon bread is famous. However, I found a Nakamura curry bread. Worried. After all, it turned into curry bread. Refueling. I finish refueling and head to Hakone. It is Atsuchi exit immediately after passing Ebina Junction. Take the Otawara Atsuchi Road. I saw mountains. Exit Otawara Nishi I think. I will go to the turnpike. From Otawara, it is a 14 kilometers long sightseeing toll road connecting Mount Dayton. It is a private road owned by Hakone Turnpike Company, Ltd. and its Iwata has obtained the naming right from March 2018. Raccoon? It's Raccoon. Let me take a picture. He has gone away. It is the first time I have encountered a raccoon on a turnpike. The weather is nice and I can run comfortably. It is the Dakansan Observatory located at the top of the turnpike. I will put in from the general way. If the weather is fine, you can enjoy the panorama including Mount Fuji and Ashinoko. It is closer if you turn right, just a little sideways. As I wanted to run for a while, I went down the Tsubaki line towards Yagawara. Hakone radar can be seen. If it's 48, the X is tight, you will run from there. I passed the bike several times, oh yeah. I could not afford to. Enter the Yagawara Parkway. I will go through the hot spring area. It is a toll road connecting Yagawara Onsen to the Yagawara Pass. The Hakone Railway has built it as a company bus route. As the Hakone Railway is managed. There is no such tight corner. I think it's easy to run because there is a certain width. I will go to Route 1. It is Tsuchinamiki. Hakone exit and goes past the goal point. Hakone Sekizo. If you run a little beyond the Kyoto exit, on Hakone Park there is a parking lot. It is an important traffic hub in Tokyo, one of the 5 highways of the Edo period. It was a very strict watch. As it was said, a woman is fired into a gun. Enter the Hakone Sekizo site. Using the techniques and tools of the Edo period, it seems to be restored. The state of the time at the silhouette displayed is explained clearly. When you go to the distant station, it offers wonderful views of Lake Ashinoko. Leave the Sekizo site and walk on the old Tokyo. You can also enjoy the superb view of Lake Ashinoko. Follow the row of cedar trees and run along the lake. I'm going through a big tree. Since ancient times, it has been revered as Kanto General Defense Hakone and today, it is famous as one of the best power spots. The tree on the shore of Lake Ashinoko is called the Tree of Peace. I will go to worship. The stairs are tight. I finally arrived. I will give you a peek. There is also the Kizuryu shrine next to it. I will also worship here. If you don't refuel gasoline soon, I'm going to a gas station.
Really?
Closed.
Research.
Because there is no stand in the vicinity, I will head towards the lake edge. Actually, it is half tank at this point. Because I was running on a mountain road, I tried to refuel early. I found it. Refueling. I'm also hungry. I would like to have lunch. Today's lunch is Kojiri Tochendo, the restaurant Miyashi buckwheat noodles. Hakone made with pork and vegetables. It is a soba noodle with warm soup.
Delicious.
It was a feast. Hakone Ropeway to Owakudani, pirate ship, pleasure boat, etc. It is an area different from the Moto Hakone area. I will head to the next destination. I will go up the mountain gradually. rough mountain. It is Hakone. The smell of sulfur sticks to the nose. At the explosion crater from the eruption of Hakone volcano, we are currently emitting about 100 C of sulfur and water vapor. You can see the dynamic view of the volcano. Speaking of Hakone black ink, boiled in the hot spring area of Hakone, iron deposits and becomes black. If you eat one, it is said that the 7-year lifespan will be extended, with the current raising of the eruption alert level. It is restricted to entry. June 8, 2019 information. I will be back soon. It is time for the gate to close. I will head towards the Vol.2 HAKONE area. I went down to the town. I will return the way that came in the morning. Enter Hakone Shindo. It is not a traffic jam because it is a weekday. I went down to Odawara. Odawara Otsuchidoro, entrance closed down. Unlucky. Head for Odawara Nishi IC. Looking sideways at the turnpike entrance. Take the Odawara Otsuchi Road. The Odawara Otsuchi Road was under renovation. Enter Tomai Expressway.
Break.
After all, I want to eat melon bread. I went to Abina. Refueling. Dusk is approaching. If you leave here, it's a toll gate right away. I entered Tokyo. Tokyo Metropolitan Expressway is over today. Time required 13 hours. Total distance traveled 329 kilometers.